Hello eFam! I am May Cruz and I'm your Smart Collector Pro. By the end of this video, makikita nyo kung ano ang magiging content ng mga future videos ko. So for a sneak peek, please watch this. Why did I started this YouTube channel? Real talk, syempre, because of the money, first and foremost. Since the pandemic, I've tried several ways of earning money kahit na nasa bahay lang. I've tried hosting a hybrid pop-up event. I also tried online selling using LBC's SoShop platform. I've also tried live selling via Facebook, and then now this. My other reasons are love, document, and count these collections beside me. Itong mga to, my Hello Kitty Classic collection, can also help me with identifying the duplicates that I have, and probably collections that I can still add to this, and also identify items that I'm still in search of. And for those who are online sellers of Hello Kitty items with the same design that I have here, can probably get in touch with me and sell the items that they have that I'm still in search of. And aside from that, share with you tips on how to display for those who are just starting with their collections, and organize for those who have been collecting for years already, and of course storage. The reason why I wanted to count this is also because we're living in a rental apartment, so this is temporary. So I wanted to be ready na rin just in case we are going to move, so that the collections will be in bags and bins already when the time comes. So that's another reason why. I will also feature in this YouTube channel other collectors as well. Instead of doing house tours, this will be what we call collectors brag time, where they can show off their collections. During this interview with fellow collectors, they will share with us the history of how they started their collections, and then they'll also share with us some tips on how to display, organize, and store their collections, and special tips or collectors pro tips from them, and also maybe find out if they still have items that they are in search of, so we can help them with looking for that still, and if they are still planning to add more or they are starting a new one. And lastly, another part of this YouTube channel will be a reaction video on collections of celebrities, and during the process I will also share with you tips, suggested ways on how to display, organize, and store the collections of those celebrities that I'm going to react on. I'll start with the sneakers collection or shoes collection of Idol Raffy Tulfo on another video. I hope you look forward to that video. That's the 3 contents that I will have in this YouTube channel. I'm hoping that this will be a go-to YouTube channel for all types of memorabilia collectors, for those who are just starting with their collections, also for those who already have been collecting for years, and hopefully we can both, you, eFam, and me, can grow our collections together. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and hit the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo for new uploads. And Again, I'm May Cruz and I'm your Collector Pro. Mga ka-EFAM, help slow the spread of COVID-19. Wear your mask, practice social distancing, frequently wash your hands, and please get vaccinated. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat po.